Hey beauties, welcome to my channel. My name is Alex. If you're new here, I'm a cruelty-free ME who also play with makeup. And of course, if you've been here before, welcome back. So today's video, I don't know what look I'm doing. That's it. I don't know. I know I'm going to be drinking some coffee. I got a new cup. Yes, I really do need these cats. Yes, I really do need all of these cats. I have so many cats in my house. It's not even funny. They're my emotional support animals. That's all I gotta say. But yes, so for the color of the month is yellow, and of course I have to implement the color yellow into my makeup look, no matter what. So yeah, interesting. So the palette I'm using is the WetnWild palette. Is the I don't know how many there is in total. 40 eyeshadow palette, and I really don't know what I'm doing. To be honest with you, don't know what look. I just know I have to use yellow. So I might play with greens and blues. I might try 3, maybe 4 eyeshadows. So prepare for this. So hopefully my battery doesn't die on my camera. So I'm gonna use, I got this on from Ipsy's the Beauty Crop Stuck on You eyeshadow primer, and this is my first time using this. I'm trying to use different eyeshadow primers, see which I like better, but we'll see. This one reminds me of the BB and W Cosmetics, just how it looks or anything like that. So we just see. So all the products I want to use on my face will be linked down below. So this looks really pretty. So I'm just gonna, of course, I'm gonna buff this out. I've been liking this one worse, and I like how this eyeshadow gives me coverage, and also like works on my skin. So we'll see how this works. My eyebrows might move a little bit. Going on. Okay. Like I said, okay, I have not used this eyeshadow at all. It's like really similar, so I'm gonna use this shade right here. It's just a little bit powdery, but it's not as much powdery. I'm going to put this in the crease just to help it define it a little bit, and it also helps me with the guide. I like to use this kind of flexy brush when it comes to this area. It just helps to set the eye also. It's like I don't have to do darker, so I'm going to use this shade right here. I really do like this shade. These shades are really pretty. These are very powdery, which I really don't care as long as it works. So. I'm going to that outer corner just first because we'll be darken this up just a tad bit. I do want to have a little angle on that. So I'm going to try different different techniques and different eye looks too, so I'm gonna likely fade that into the crease because and I'll probably watch Trimmers. The third one. I love that movie. It doesn't like. I think that's the very first movie that I ever fell in love. Horror movies at Disney almost. I like sci-fi stuff like that. I like sci-fi movies like whoever like. Remember the time that sci-fi had those Saturday nights every Saturday at 9 o'clock that has a new sci-fi movie, and my favorite ones were just especially the scientists created like dinosaurs and saber-tooth tigers, like Attack of the Saber-Tooth, and that was actually one of my favorite movies of all time from sci-fi. And my very first one I ever watched from sci-fi was Cerberus. It was a really good one. And they don't make those kind of movies anymore. I remember Shock Octopus and Meg versus Giant Octopus. It was like so cool. Now, the very last movie I watched from them was Redneck Cajun Gators. Oh my god, that was so messed up. I was like, oh my gosh. Like, I remember those movies, and like, I fell in love with vampires at age 5. I fell in love with Buffy the Vampire Slayer and all of that. Yeah. Okay. Okay. I am going to use different brushes for all of this. So. Okay. I'm going to be using this dark blue right here. But yeah, that's like one of my favorite movies from there was Attack of the Saber-Tooth Tiger. Attack of the Saber-Tooth. Because I really fell in love with that because I fell in love with dinosaurs too, so. And I'm going to connect this blue to the green, so. Yeah, I remember those movies like the dragons with what's his last name? Like I fell in love with those movies, and I really enjoy that kind of movies more than I like today's movies, scary movies. Like I watch Nightmare on Elm Street, but those are just not my favorite kind of movies. I like any kind of dinosaurs. Like I like Jurassic Park, Jurassic World. Okay, sorry about that. My camera just died, so I don't know if it really showed everything that I've done. Gotta love my brother. So, like I said, I don't know what I'm doing with this look, but I know I'm just going with the flow. I don't know if this looks good or not. But we'll see. We'll see. I think, yeah. I'm gonna use the NYX White Space. I do like this as my whatever it is. I just like it, and that's what I use. So yeah, my camera died, so I don't know if I paused it or not. That was a little bit weird. Look. Where's this camera? what we're going to do is blend those two shades like that white is a little bit. Just like that, just gives it nice, a thin, like a really nice, I'm going to use this yellow right here, because this is pretty decent yellow. Yeah. It's a little bit chalky, but this is good. Now that's the problem with this yellow. This is why I wanted a nice white base. I do like this as a concealer in a way, but it does not do its job as in blending out or conceal. I do like it for brightening up my face, but I like this too. I put gold in it. And right here, I like to use a flat brush just to help it blend out. But also just to do what it needs to do. I'm going to use NYX, that's the point. I think so. I actually like that. I'm gonna pause and be right back. And I'm just gonna maybe just see what the finish looks like, because let's see. Okay, I did the eyeliner, then mascara. I used the Lash Loud Volumizing Mascara. I'm beginning to really do like this. I feel like it's like a dupe for my Ilia one, so I won't be so sad about that one. But, and then of course, I used Real Her Deep Mauve. This is really good. I like how it feels on my lips. My niece actually gave this to me, and really liked it. I like using these colors right here to just whatever, you know. I did use a Go in that palette in the corner. This look actually reminds me of Dory from Finding Nemo. And Finding Dory. They did not really hit me until I kept looking at them. What are these colors? So this reminds me. Always something. But yeah, I really do like it. I'm just gonna have my hair like this for today. I might as well. Well, during this video. I really do like this. I think I've already done a look like this, but I don't know for sure because I don't remember every look I've done. That's sad. But you know, I think this is perfect for around this time for summer and everything else. But I really do like this look. I wish I could have done something different. Not something I envisioned completely, of course, but that's what I come up with and everything else. So I hope you guys will like it, because it's okay. Makeup should be fun. You make mistakes, and that's how life rolls, right? I hope you guys like it, because I'm so Nikki Peaky right now. It's not even funny. I'm sick. Yeah. But you know what? It happens. It's all learning. This is all learning, and I'm happy with. I choose a different technique and everything else. But yeah. So guys, I better let you guys go before I start rambling again. But yeah, that's one of like my favorite sci-fi movies I like, and my favorite horror movies and everything else. So you get to see my little craziness a little bit. But you know, everybody's a little crazy some way, somehow, you know. But yeah. So guys, I hope you do like this video. If you want to see more videos like this where I talk rambling stuff and crazy things just out of the blue, yeah, let me know. And what is your favorite? And comment down below what's your favorite sci-fi movie or your favorite horror movie, and if you ever watch a sci-fi channel with their movies on sci-fi on Saturday nights. Like, do they still have them? Because I don't have a sci-fi channel anymore on my thing. But yeah, did you watch that like years ago? Because I was a teenager at the time. I mean, yeah, I was like, whoa, 10 years, 11 years ago. Imagine that. But yeah. And guys, don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you, if you want to, be part of the Make That family with all the craziness and all of that. And this is a drama-free channel, and this is a judgment-free channel where we just don't judge. We just like to have fun and just have a blast with makeup, as you can see. Yeah. Feel free to hit the subscribe button, and also don't forget to hit the notification bell so you'll be notified of any new videos that I upload. Because I upload like crazy. I can't stick to a schedule. If I do, it's always bonkers. So might as well do that. I really like this eyeliner. It's like awesome. So guys, I love you. I hope you have a wonderful day or night wherever you're at, and God bless. And remember, beauty is fun and can be cruelty free too. So bye.